Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today not about gaming but about something else, something much more useful, and I think this gonna help you all guys. So I just starting using this Bitcoin mining app. So you will find in the video description the name of this app and where to download it. It's called Bitcoin mining app, and with this app you can really generate parts of bitcoins, or even if you are really patient enough, I think it will take maybe some years, you can even get, imagine that, 1 bitcoin for free from this application. Okay, we need for that a lot of patience, but it's also possible. So how this app is working: you just download it, register there, and you are in, and you start straight regenerating parts of bitcoins. This is my wallet right now. I have 0.0000037 tralala bitcoins. It's not a lot. I just started yesterday and it's about, I don't know, 5 cents. Okay, but the total mining power, the more computing power you have, the faster you can generate bitcoins. So I have right now in 24 hours 5 cents, about 5 cents, but only with this 9060 gigahash per second, nearly one terahash per second. Okay, and if you go to the store here and see what we can get, you can even go for 285 terahash. I mean, that's much more that I have right now, nearly 300 more speed that I have right now. That means 300 more speed times my 5 cents. So you can even make a day with this app. If you invest, of course, that's about $10,000. But if you would invest money on this app, you can generate a lot of money with this app. But we need a lot of start budget. But we're talking now about for free. So if you would invest, you can even generate per day, I don't know, something about 50 euros a day. Okay, so it's worth it. You will invest one time, and that's it. Okay, and then you can start generating your money. And it's really interesting. I just started right now. In the next videos I'm gonna show you how to transfer from your wallet, okay, this money here with the Lightning app, with the Speed Lightning app. And from the Speed Lightning app, you can even buy straight from that app in the shop, like Amazon cards, Google Play cards. It's really very interesting, especially for gamers. Or there is also possibility to transfer those bitcoins straight to your bank account. So that's really very interesting, and I'm gonna show you all of this in the next videos if you are more interested. But the thing is, what I can tell you is that it's really working. Okay, so if I go right now and I wanna transfer this, I click on all what I got till now, and as we can see there, I got about 37 satoshis right now. 37 satoshis is not a lot. I'm gonna show you also in the next videos. You can just calculate it and you see how much it is in euros or in dollars. As I told you, right now it's not a lot, but I will keep getting my computing power for free. I will give you some updates. I will show you also how to transfer this Bitcoin here to your Speedlight wallet. And very interesting for all gamers, guys, because with the Speed wallet, you can go, for example, here, and you can just get, look at this, Amazon cards, Google Play cards, okay, for gamers. Very interesting. A lot of stuff. And also there is also possibilities to just if you don't want to get any cards, you can just transfer your satoshis straight to your bank account. There is also possibilities there. I just discovered that. It's new for me, and I thought, instead of always showing you some, I mean, I know it's fun, it's interesting to watch, but I mean, gaming content is sometimes also useless. So you watch something, you get your daily doses of that, but that will not help you at all. But this is really stuff that you can just get money out of it, and it's all for free. So make sure also, before I leave right now, if you're going to install this app, to enter the invitation code. You will find it there, okay? And if you go to the invitation code, please give this code. It's mine, GFFBOC, okay? GFFBOC. Yeah, it's gonna help me a lot. And yeah, I wish you all happy grinding, good grinding, be patient, and maybe in about 1 month you will be able to generate about, if you keep watching the free ads. It take a lot of time, yes, but it's really worth it. In the end, you can start maybe by 1 month generating about, I don't know, 2-3 euros, and if you stay grinding and grinding, you can also the more computing power you will have. Oh, we have an ad right now. I'm gonna stop this video soon. So the more computing power you have, the faster you can generate bitcoins. We have a lot of ads on this app, but in my opinion, it's really worth it because it's for free. As I told you, you can go to the store and get a lot of computing power. I don't know, invest, that's a lot. If you would invest even $1,000 on this app, it's still worth it, because with that 25 terahash per second, you will be able to generate a day an amount of, I don't know, let's say you invest one time $1,000, and with that you will be able, for a long period of time that doesn't go back, you can buy this and it will stay there, it will not disappear. So that's the computing power that you have, and with that computing power that you will have, yeah, you will be able to generate round about, I don't know, for example, 10 euros a day, okay, or $10, okay. So it's a good investment and it's worth it. But let's say free, let's talk about only using this app for free, okay. So we have to watch ads every day, and now there is time to refresh, because I use all of my ads and I reached nearly 1k terahash per second for the first day, which is actually pretty good. And for the next day I will go for the next terahash, etc, etc. So you can get for free in 1 month about, yeah, let's say 20,000 terahash for free, which is actually, if you go to the shop and you want to have 20 terahash per second, you will need to pay for that nearly $1,000, okay. So you can have also this computing power for free, and that's what is fair on this app, okay. So it's really something new, interesting. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you're going to download this app, don't forget to, as I told you, to give this code, please. It's my code, GFFBUC. That will help me a lot. Thanks for watching, and see you soon, fellas. Bye bye.